If you're an athlete or a bodybuilder, chances are you struggle finding a good fit with clothing. This is an example of a capsule wardrobe we did for Jordan Shallow, aka the Muscle Doc. This guy's 5'11", 260 pounds of pure muscle, so nothing off the rack fits, and he really needs custom clothing. The thing is, custom clothing doesn't mean he has to wear suits or tailoring or dress up. This guy lives in the gym, so he's wearing athletic wear and streetwear most of the time, but wants to elevate his game a little bit. Doesn't mean we're gonna throw him in suits, it means we're gonna custom fit great casual items for him. So let's take a look at his capsule.
My name is Jordan Shallow. I'm a chiropractor, strength and conditioning coach, founder, entrepreneur. I live in Toronto, Ontario, and I work for fun. Dan and I grew up in the same hometown. So I've known Article of Style back before Articles of Style was Articles of Style. So I've always kind of liked that. Never into fashion or menswear or anything like that. But as I got older and I kind of needed to not dress the way I was dressing, and then I reached out to Dan, and yeah, he's kind of taking it from there. Yes, having a capsule wardrobe stops me from having to think about what I wear. The rest of my wardrobe is gym clothes. I'm in the gym, I wear sneakers and gym shorts, elastic waistbands, and lucky if most of my shirts have sleeves. So it's just, I need to dress up for some parts of my job, but I don't want to have to think about those parts of my job. You know, as a founder and a consultant, meetings, banks, lawyers, accountants, all the stuff that I didn't really get into this business for, but you need to sort of dress for the job you want. So those are the things that I was like, okay, Trep, like you gotta help me out here, man. I can't be wearing gym clothes to these meetings anymore. So here I am. I couldn't go anywhere else because he understands where we come from. He understands the culture that I work in. So it was really just like kind of a no-brainer for me to be like, okay, here, take the wheel. I don't have to think, make it, and I'll love it, and that's what he did. Even though this is more formal than I'm used to, it still has to be comfortable. I travel a lot. You know, I'm in and out of these clothes. They have to be durable. They have to deal with my lifestyle. So it's comfort is kind of like a #1 thing, but it's definitely a novel experience when I'm wearing not my gym clothes.
So it all starts with the outerwear. We did 3 different coats. We did a hooded bomber, did a varsity style hopsack bomber, a very rugged moleskin top coat. Then of course we're building a wardrobe. He needs at least 1 suit for weddings, business meetings. So we did a stretch suit in charcoal. Go-to white shirt, also stretch fabric. Did this really nice versatile waffle knit crew neck. A moleskin trouser. A band collar shirt and a jersey knit fabric. A heavy duty cotton canvas trouser. An elevated black hoodie. And of course, an elevated sweatpant. Jordan wears a lot of black and dark colors. He wears a lot of streetwear. So I wanted to take that and infuse it into this capsule and elevate it a little bit. A lot of the fabrics are stretch, which is really important for a big guy to have comfort and mobility. And a lot of the items can be dressed up a little bit, but are really more casual and can be worn every day. As with all of our capsules, everything's meant to be mix and match to give him lots of options. So if he's going to a wedding or a business meeting, he's covered. If he's with a client or if he's in the gym, he could even wear some of these pieces. So it's tailored to his lifestyle and to make it easier for him to think about fashion or not think about fashion.
Easy and fun. Yeah, menswear has always been, from my vantage point, like a little bit stuffy, and it's kind of always pushed me away. And then I met Dan, got to know him, years ago, got to know the rest of the team, and it's easy. It's not, it's not too pushy. It's not, oh, you have to wear this, or this is in season, or this is, I can't keep up with any of that. So it's really easy, it's fun, you get to know the guys, and yeah, Dan doesn't have a choice. He's stuck with me now.